Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you people are doing good. I hope prelims went well. This video is mainly for those candidates who want additional information regarding GS1 bridge course. Now, when we come to General Studies Paper 1, the most challenging part of GS1 is the bulkiness in the syllabus. The syllabus is very vast. You have ancient medieval art and culture, and then you have modern India and world history, and then you have society. After that, you have geography. So if you take the entire syllabus, it is very vast, and covering the syllabus is tiresome. This is the challenging aspect of GS1. And along with this, the most common mistake that most of the candidates will do is they think that because they have studied most of it in their prelims syllabus, they overlook GS1. What happens is the orientation that GS1 is asked in the mains exam is completely different from the orientation you have studied in prelims. This results in lack of marks in GS1 paper. So, GS1 bridge course is all about making sure that this challenging task is made as easy as possible. What you should remember is General Studies Paper 1 is very scoring, provided you do two things. One, you provide paper specific language and you provide paper specific keywords. If you can supply these two, that is, society as its own specific language and its own specific keywords, geography as its own specific language and its own specific keywords. If you can provide this in the answer, GS1 paper becomes very easy for scoring. Alright, and this is what GS1 bridge course is all about. We help you bring the paper specific language and we help you bring the paper specific keywords. So what is GS1 bridge course? GS1 bridge course is a crash course that we are going to run, and this runs for almost 60 hours, and we try to cover the entire syllabus in 60 hours. We know that the syllabus is vast, so in order to simplify the syllabus, we have thematized the syllabus to make it as simple as possible. And through these themes, we try to teach or cover the entire syllabus of General Studies Paper 1. We also discuss the previous year questions. There will also be a test which we call as sprint test. Every end of the day, we will be giving 1 hour of sprint test which you have to take, which will help you, develop your speed as well as improve your content in General Studies Paper 1. Apart from that, we will also teach you template approaches of how to handle unconventional topics that are asked in Paper 1. So everyone who is going to be writing mains should take up this program for GS1 bridge course, because though the syllabus is bulky, we are going to make it as simplified as possible and make sure that you develop your speed as well as your content in the 10 to 15 days of program that is going to be running. Tentatively, this program will start on 10th of July. So I hope to see you there, and I hope you people will be energetic and you people will be enthusiastic as I am about this program. I'll see you there, guys. Until then, bye.